Hello, we're here on channel 66. This is your host, Justin Johnson speaking. I'm going to do something a little bit different this week. I'm not going to interview anybody. Uh, I don't know. This is just all me on this episode. Excuse me, Marcy will play. And what I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. It's been a long time coming. I'm going to put the Big Mac rap on Facebook. All my friends from Haiti, you know what I'm saying? You know what that is. I'm gonna give you the background first. Starting in 8th grade, it was a talent show coming up. And me being the guy that I am, silly, funny, whatever you wanna call me, doesn't matter. You don't like me, I don't care. You love me, hey, good job. And I decided to do something for that show. And that was back when Air Force Ones was really popular. By Nelly, St. Louis, Missouri Stand Up, Boot Hill, Show Me State. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I decided to revise that version and make it about Big Macs. Well, I guess there's anything more to say, so let's just get to the rap. Alright. Give me 2 Macs. I need 2 Macs so I get to eat on my Big Macs. Big boy, eating on my Big Macs. I like all types of buns with the sesame seed, the special sauce I will need. Monday through Sunday, they will feed. The bread and the dough I will need. Now, if you look up and see me eating the Big Mac, I be so happy when they put it in the sack. I come on singing hip hop, wearing flip flop. The food in my stomach, it will drop. I like the limited price of 99 cents. That is all that I spent. Cause I had to pay my rent. If I keep on food, my stomach's gonna put it in. Don't get me wrong, man, cause Justin Johnson ain't dumb, man. Cause the food is on the menu, you should have some, man. You cannot sit up and none, man. It's gonna take 3 or 4 to fill me up, man. Give me 2 Macs. I need 2 Macs so I get to eat on my Big Macs. Big boy, eating on my Big Macs. I'm up in McDonald's looking like I need that. I said, Miss, give me a Big Mac. Now I know this woman know the deal. Cause since I was born, I ain't never ate a Happy Meal. I said, excuse me, miss, I only want to buy food. He said, we ain't got no more, not to be rude. So I said, the double cheeseburger sound nice, make it twice. Now I said, miss, what is the price? I keep it real dirty, know how I do. My meal number 1, Big Mac number 2. I eat all night and day. That's what I do. That's what I say. There's one thing that you should know. I like to eat, and that is for sure. Give me a Big Mac. Hope I don't have a heart attack. And that's the Big Mac rap. It would have been longer, but I didn't make it so. If you like it, hey, good job. If you don't like it, hey, good job. I don't care either way. And so, I would make this video longer, but frankly, this is my episode, my show, Channel 66, created by Justin Johnson, produced by Justin Johnson, funded by Justin Johnson. I mean, everything that you could think of is by Justin Johnson. Oh, and I apologize. My recorder, the director, I guess, and she behind the camera, Dashelle Fabian. Put the camera on you for a second. Go ahead.
No.
Go ahead. Put it on you. That's Dashelle. See, that's Dashelle Fabian. See, she looks better in person. See, she
Ouch.
like Kanye West said. She look better in real life. See, no, that means when I no, that's not an outfit. That means when I see you look. That means you look better like in real life.
Hmm.
See, that's not a bad thing. That's a good thing. Okay, but anyway, see, back to what I was supposed to be saying. See, yeah, this is Justin Johnson thing. Channel 66, we doing it big. We spread we spread all the way to Brunswick, Maine. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody know about it. We doing big things. You know, I need to get my own. I need to get my own time. BCN, that's my competition right there. The Bone Cable Network. I'm coming after you, cause people gonna keep on watching 6-6. So we gonna move on up like the Jeffersons, slowly but surely. Oh, it's gonna get done. I'm telling you. Cause 6-6, we on the ride. We about to get it like it never been gotten before. Trust and believe, slowly but surely. And time will tell. Now I'm telling you all, live long and prosper. Always tip your ways and waitresses, especially if you're a repeat customer. Lessen the chance of them tampering with your food. Never eat yellow snow. I tell you this because I care.